สวัสดีครับทุกๆคนช่วงนี้ผมไปเที่ยวที่ประเทศไทยครับน้องชายของผมชื่อรุสดีเขาเป็นตำรวจที่อำเภอท่าใบจังหวัดนราธิวาสขอบคุณมากนะครับทุกๆคนในวิดีโอนี้ผมจะพูด2 ภาษาไทยและภาษาอังกฤษAs the morning sun casts a golden glow over the border town of Rathapanjang, I set out on a journey that had long been on my list, a day trip to Narathiwat, Thailand. My road would take me across the Harmony Bridge, a symbolic link between Malaysia and Thailand, connecting two cultures, histories, and ways of life. Walking through the bridge, I felt the subtle transition between the two nations. The signboards changed from Malay to Thai, the sense of freshly grilled street food drifted in the air, and the chatter of locals blended between Bahasa Melayu and Thai dialects. Immigration clearance was shift, a mere stamp on my passport marking my temporary passage into Thailand. สวัสดีครับทุกๆคน I am about nearly the immigrations at the Thailand site. That sounds like an interesting journey. Walking across the Harmony Bridge must have been a refreshing experience with the views of the river of Sungai Golok and the feelings of stepping into another country just a short distance away. This is the first time after the COVID-19 I'm traveled to Thailand because Thailand is like my second home. สวัสดีครับนี่เพื่อนของผมชื่อรุสดีเป็นตำรวจอำเภอท่าใบจังหวัดนราธิวาสสวัสดีครับและพวกเราไปที่กินอาหารในเมืองสุไหงโกลกโอ้ยอร่อยมากเลย
แกงไก่กับแกงเนื้อ
โอเคterima kasih ชื่ออะไรนะชามี I spent about 30 minutes to enjoy the breakfast here nasi belau ภาษาไทย วันนี้ไปเที่ยวนะนราธิวาสปัตตานีใช่ไหมโอเค Sungai Golok, often referred to simply as Golok by locals, is one of the most well-known border towns between Thailand and Malaysia. Located in the Narathiwat province of Thailand, it sits right across from Rathapanjang, Kelantan, and serves as a major gateway between the two nations. While the town has gained attention due to the past security concerns, it remains a significant destination for the Malaysian tourists, offering a blend of cultural, economic, and historical experiences. For many Malaysians, especially those from Kelantan and the northern states, Sungai Golok is a familiar weekend gateway. The Harmony Bridge, which connects Rathapanjang to Golok, allows for easy access and many visitors cross over for a day trip or short holiday. The immigration process of straightforward and the journey from my hometown Lubuk Jon Pasir Mas takes about 30 minutes and making it convenient international trip. One of the biggest draw of Malaysians is the food scene. Sungai Golok is famous for its unique Malay-Thai fusion dishes including nasi belau, tom yam golok, roti sai mai, and the local seafood. Mai dulu arwah mak mai sini. Mak dah tak ada.
Rumah kena kat buah.
Located near the Malaysia-Thailand border, Mondo is a small yet historical significant town in Narathiwat province. While it may seem like just another quiet border village, its past holds stories of both tragedy and resilience. Years ago, a fireworks warehouse in Mondo exploded, causing a massive blast that resulted in the deaths of at least 9 people and injured many others. The explosions not only led to the loss of life but also destroyed homes, businesses, and infrastructure in the surrounding area. Investigations later suggested that the stored fireworks and explosion materials have been improperly handled, leading to the catastrophe. The event remains a painful memory for the local community. My friend and I heading to Narathiwat, one of the famous tourist attractions. พวกเราจะไปที่ Narathiwat ไปที่ทะเล Samaton.
Di mana dia dah lah.
Pulau Panjang nak pergi ke Pulau lah.
Pula.
Oh.
Dia jadi kampung satu kampung.
I stopped for a while at the Takbai police station. He took me look around the stations that I saw in TikTok. He always make the videos at this place, and today it is a real for me to see these police stations, and I look for a while here. And now we're heading to Narathiwat. On my left, that is the mosque in Narathiwat, and then we heading to Narathiwat right now.
Siapa dia orang Malaysia nak pergi Narathiwat main nak pergi atas tu peng ni. Kalau ada orang nak pergi dah, klik sendiri lah tapi. Kemari dah.
If you travel to Thailand, this is a common views that you can see. Lots of motorcycles that we call the passengers. The local people say passenger, and then you can take this motorbike to other locations or to look around the town. But it's not a common thing in Malaysia. In Malaysia, we don't have some kinds of this mode of transportation, so it's quite difficult for tourists to travel or go to other place with a motorbike or motorcycles like this in Thailand. So this is one of the unique tourist attractions in, I think, all across Thailand, not only in the 3 provinces of the southern of Thailand.
Kubur tu.
Kalau kubur.
Kita pergi parking depan. Di sini je pak tak ada pada parking. Kita parking depan tu kita boleh tengok. Tu boleh tengok. Ferry jalan hari ni. Jalan.
ทุกคนผมอยากไปดูผลไม้ทางละขายผลไม้ที่ตักใบมาครับผมนะพูดภาษาเขากับคุณแม่ที่นี่ขายผลไม้
Kita pun tak boleh diri lah.
Campur deh 1 kilo.
Boleh sekian dulu. Boleh kan? Boleh.
That must have been a heartwarming experience. The journey from Sungai Kolok to Narathiwat offers some of the most beautiful rural landscapes in southern Thailand. The signs of traditional Malay houses, lush greenery, and the peaceful ways of life must have made you feel deep connections to the place. And then when you look at this bridge, we are nearly enter the towns of Narathiwat. As you travel through the regions, you likely saw the wooden Malay-style houses built on stilts with a sloping roof, just like in Kelantan and Trenggalek. Rice fields and coconut trees, a serene green landscape stretching along the road, the mosque and small surau, reflecting the strong Islamic influence in Narathiwat, where many locals share traditions similar to those in Malaysia, and the friendly villagers, many of whom speak both Thai and Malay, making the area feels even more like home.
cuaca.
Oh, selamat datang juga sini. Betul.
Selamat datang juga. Kalau hari raya Cina, ya makan Cina. Kalau hari apa, kalau raya.
Narathiwat, one of the Thailand's southernmost provinces, holds a significant place in history, especially for the Malay community. Its cultural, linguistics, and the historical ties with the Kelantan and other northern Malaysian states make it a unique region where Malay and Thai identities blends seamlessly. The province has witnessed centuries of political changes, colonial influences, and resistance movements, all of which have shaped its present-day character.
Bahasa Sudan.
Oh, dah ada.
Dia payah pakai sikit.
Tak apa, tak lebih tak apa.
Narathiwat Market is a vibrant and bustling place that serves as the heart of economic and social activities for the local community. Located in the southern regions of Thailand near the Malaysia border, this market offers a wide variety of goods, from fresh produce to local handcrafts, making it an essential part of the daily life of residents and visitors alike. One of the most striking features in Narathiwat market is its affordability. Compared to similar markets in Malaysia, the prices of fruits, vegetables, and daily essentials are generally lower, making it an attractive shopping destination for both locals and cross-border visitors. The availability of fresh and exotic fruits, many of which are grown in the fertile lands of southern Thailand, adds to the market's appeal. Shoppers can find durian, mangosteens, rambutans, and other seasonal fruits at the price that are significantly lower than in Malaysia. Beyond its economic significance, Narathiwat Market plays a crucial role in preserving the cultural heritage of the region. The market is a melting pot of the different ethnic groups, including Malays, Thais, and Chinese, who come together to trade and interact. The exchange of the languages and traditions within the market reflects the harmonious coexistence of diverse communities in Narathiwat. For the local people, the market is more than just a place to buy and sell goods. It is a social hub where friendships are formed, news is exchanged, and the traditionals are passed down through generations. Vendors, many of whom have inherited their stalls from their ancestors, take pride in their craftsmanship, whether selling traditional Thai snacks, hand-woven textiles, or freshly caught seafood. For visitors experiencing the market for the first time, the lively atmosphere, the aromatic sense of the street foods, and the warm hospitalities of the venues make it an affordable experience.
Oh, masuk.
Oh, okay. Yang ni 6 kilo. Walking through Narathiwat market offers a glimpse into the daily lives of the locals and highlights the importance of traditional markets in sustaining both the economy and the cultural identity of the region. Ni Malaysia peng mak. Mahal. Mahal ni 20 lebih.
Harga paman.
Tapi ramah manusia ada ambil sini.
Dah.
Dia
patut.
balik kira ni. Ramah awak. Ramah awak boleh nak dah hak ramah tu.
Tu.
Ya ada saya masuk hotel.
Ya.
Tak kita pakai.
Bayar jalan mari pagi. Nak masuk ke dalam sikit.
Boleh.
Saya selalu tu pun tak video dia tu hai daripada pergi.
Tak apa.
Mudah nak gapo. Oh, nak. Yang mai dulu lo.
Ni sekuk deh.
Kau komen dah.
60 naira. Naira deh. Naira. Oh, api mampu. Kita tengok depan.
Masuk ke takut. Takut tak ada boleh. Betul lagi tak ada. Ada lah.
Yang bulan ni pintu belakang ke. Baca kat sana dalam.
Oh, pikot ni eh?
Ya.
Tak ada lah ni, kok ni sayur saja.
Sayur lah.
Dia kok ni. Dia dah sana deh.
Item belian ni.
Oh, timun betik.
Oh, berarti isi cakung ni. Berarti mun apa?
Timun betik. Dia nak buah ke apa dia?
Niโลเท่าไหร่นะขายยังไงนะ
อุตสาห์ขายไงจ๊ะโล80ค่ะ
เอาครึ่งเดียว
อันนี้70อันนี้80
Ya tak saya.
ไปจ่ายนี่นะไปจ่าย
Oh. After exploring the lively Narathiwat market, my journey continued to well-known coastal attraction, the Summerton Beach. This beach is famous not only for its stunning seaside views but also for its thrilling plane spotting experience. Located near Narathiwat Airport, visitors can witness airplanes flying low over the shorelines just before landing. This unique attraction has made Summerton Beach a popular destination, especially among Malaysian tourists who travel across the border to enjoy this particular view while dining at the beachfront restaurant.
Naim Patana.
Ui, panah molek ni deh.
Panas juga dah weh. Ya Min. Kerbin mari tahun. Mari kecil.
Oh.
Mari ke mana kecil awak tika.
Wak tika.
Ni hak kata buat budak-budak mari kita sini. Dia duduk dekat dengan talesi. Ni talesi. Ni orang Malaysia dah rasa. Ni dah sampai Summerton. Bangunan putih ni.
Oh.
One of the highlights of Summerton Beach is the seaside restaurants that serve a variety of authentic Thai dishes, offering visitors the perfect place to enjoy delicious food while watching the planes land. The restaurants here specialize in the Southern Thai cuisine, which is known for its bold flavors, aromatic herbs, and fresh seafood. Some of must-try the dishes include the Tom Yum Thale, a rich, spicy, and sour seafood soup filled with the prawn, squid, and fish, flavored with the lemongrass, lime leaves, and the chili. Plau Pau, a whole fish stuffed with the herbs grilled to perfection and served with the stangy seafood dipping sauce. The Som Tam, a refreshing and spicy salad made from shredded green papaya, cherry tomatoes, peanuts, and the dried shrimps dressed in a flavorful fish sauce. Pakrapao, a fragrant and spicy stir-fried dish served with rice and topped with the crispy fried eggs, and the khao yam, a healthy dish made with a mix of the herbs, dried shrimps, and the fragrant rice topped with the signature sweet spicy dressing. Along these flavorful dishes, many visitors also enjoy Thai-style drinks, which is the chayan and the fresh coconut water, perfect for the cooling down in the warm beach weather.
Goreng kerabu mangga.
Oh, okey. Syah.
Banyak kedai mau tanya ikan bekak supaya belum
Oh, ikan bekok. Alik ni tak ada mai mi. Thai ikan bekok.
Macam ni ya plaster tapi belum ni sebab nak garing
Okey.
Untuk nak dah lah.
What makes Summerton Beach truly special is the plane spotting experience. As visitors enjoy their meal, they can feel the excitement building where they can see the plane approaching from a distance. Within seconds, the aircraft flies low over the beach, creating an adrenaline-filled moment before touching down at Narathiwat Airport, which is located just a short distance away. Many tourists, especially aviation enthusiasts and the photographers, gather here to capture this breathtaking sight. Some even compare it to the famous Maho Beach in Saint Martin, where planes land close to the beach. Aside from the food and aviation experience, Summerton Beach offers a peaceful and scenic escape. Visitors can take a stroll along the shoreline, dip their feet in the cool water, or simply relax while enjoying the sound of the wind.
Gana? Sai ha. Ha.
Kok mana molek lain molek tu? Kok mana? Dia main kat ni.
Betul ni. Betul tu.
Dia berhenti dulu.
Apa tu dia?
Dia nak suruh Damun ambil gambar dulu.
Dia berhenti tu. Ready. Nanti tunjuk tarik.
As I continued my journey through Narathiwat, I took a short break to observe a local villager crafting a handbag from the daun kecut. This traditional weaving technique has been passed down for generations and remain an important part of the local culture. The lady, who was diligently working on her craft, welcomed me warmly and was eager to share her experience in making these beautiful handmade products. The daun kercut, a type of pandan-like leaf, is a natural material commonly used by villagers in southern Thailand and northern Malaysia to create various handicrafts such as handbags, mats, and baskets. The process of making a handbag involves several meticulous steps. The first one, collecting and preparing the leaves. The leaves are carefully selected, cleaned, and dried under the sun to ensure durability. Strippings and softenings. The dried leaves are cut into thin strips and softened by rubbing them to make weaving easier. Weaving's the pattern. The artisan skillfully interlaces of the strips into intricate patterns, creating the base and the structures of the bag, and the shaping and finishing. Once the weaving is complete, the edges are trimmed and the bag is reinforced with the sturdy handles, sometimes decorated with a colorful beds of fabric.
Alik kita ni guna.
As we continued our conversations, the lady shared a surprising fact. She has many relatives in Tumpat, Malaysia. This connection between families across the Thai-Malaysian border is quite common, as many communities in Narathiwat, Kelantan, and Tumpat share similar cultural traditions, languages, and even family ties. She fondly spoke about her visits to Tumpat and how Malaysian tourists often purchase her handmade bag as souvenirs.
Tak boleh happy lah. Benar lah. Jadi mana kata happy tu tak boleh.
Duduk sini lah, kawasan ni lah.
Rumah dah ni.
Rumah.
Inilah suka wakil kau retino. Mari dah.
Dia dekat ya.
Ada kalau.
Kalah lah.
Baru buat makan tak kering lagi.
Ada satu tanya kita.
Tu kecil.
Kata dia biasa beli dah. 200 ku. Nak beli 200 ku.
Jual 200
Apa ambil rasa. On boleh?
Oh, ada duit tu ha.
Mau lah.
Besok orang ada
Lo ni orang pakai kek lalu dah beli.
Kena ada mesing.
Orang dah kogi.
Borang mak lo ni orang tak bawa duit. Tapi kena beringat tak. Bos sudah scan tu tipu dah.
Ada juga.
Buat tunjuk kata ni kadang-kadang.
Klik.
Gitu.
Abis tak budak tak win main tu. Anak.
Tu kok je ada. Tak apa lah.
Lama dah kek dua kek. Tengok ni tak ada buat. Kau sudah putih tu baru. Malu tapi buang.
Okay, assalamualaikum.
Sawadee-krop. ตอนนี้ผมอยู่ที่นราธิวาสกับคุณแม่ขายอะไรนะ
Raju.
กระจุก
Raju. Nayu siye raju. Nayu pun keju.
Oh, keju. Okay. So this is one of the traditional bag, homemade. Okay, by homemade, and then I buy one because it's something different. We don't have it in Malaysia, so I buy it for my wife. And then berapa lama dah buat?
Oh, dia dari 2,533 lagi.
2,500.
Buat ni.
Lama.
Mula-mula buat.
Sikit ya.
Apa dah sama saksi.
Oh, tahun-tahun Thai.
Oh.
ประมาณ2,333
Oh.
Di sini ni umur 7 tahun kan ada. Buat ni.
Nah,
Ya.
Okay. Sawadee-krop.
Kerucu. Ada saudara kau sana?
Ada,
Malay?
Ada.
Mana?
Duk tupak.
Oh,
Duk nenek duk tupak.
Oh, gitu.
Kamu ge. Kamu ge cik
Lepas tu mari buat tanah sini ke kan? Mak mari buat tanah sini ke?
Mak
Mak.
duk 7 nu. 7 Malaysia.
7, ha.
Mari duk sini.
Patah 7.
Puak ni jok sini siapa masuk orang 7 Malaysia.
Oh, gitu.
Ni.
7 no kau tak apa.
Ni kelak dulu.
Mari buat kerja ke sini?
Mari duduk.
Kau lari ke Jepun dulu?
Tak ada lari dah apa. Pasal pindah lagi.
Lepas tu kahwin dengan orang sini. Nikah dengan orang sini lah.
Tak patah 7.
sini tak patah 7.
Oh, ni nak patah 7 ni.
Ha.
Oh, gitu. Jadi anak beranak patah 7 halik nu. Oh, gitu.
Berapa ratus tahun? 100 lebih rasa.
Ingat tu maduk mek beranak sini. Beranak peman.
100 lebih.
Duduk dalam lagu tu.
Ya, ya.
Dekat muka lah.
Tupak dah lagu. Orang telefon dah.
Laduk ah.
Lama ke lepas tu duduk gig juga alik nu. Gig saudara alik nu.
Duk gi muka nak pupu duk lagi nenek mati belakon tu.
Okey.
Yo tu. Dia saing cikgu Karim dengan cikgu Gapo Batu yang mari boleh kau kena kau pupu tu. Dia gini kau dua gitu naik kerja ni kali. Dua. Ini kita tanya beda. Baju orang mari goyak bau ni tu ya tu. Ya tu dah. Tapi ya tu cikgu dua gitu doa tu tak ada dah bini dah belakang lagi. Ya tu. Anak cikgu Gapo tahu ya tu duk bawa apa tu di lupa. Yo dia anak yo. Apa bini tu ada lagi lah ya tu laki mati belakang tu.
It was a great experience for me to speak with this lady. She's just like my late mother. Before I left, the lady smiled and expressed her hope that younger generations would continue to learn this traditional craft, ensuring that the arts of the daun kerchut weaving does not disappear. I thank her for sharing her story and admire her dedications to preserving these beautiful handmade traditions. With the newfound aspirations for the local craftsmanship, I continue my journey carrying not just the memories of the beautiful bags, but also the warmth of the people who keep their traditions alive.
sampah ke
Sampah,
apa.
eh?
Ni cuci lah ni.
ก็มีงานไงงานหายแล้วงานไม่หายเลย
Ada kita nak clear pula dia kam balik.
Baik. Hmm.
As our journey continued, we headed towards Weng district, a lesser known yet fascinating area in Narathiwat province, Thailand. What made this experience even more exciting was that my friends allowed me to drive to his house, giving me a chance to navigate the winding roads, lush landscapes, and the peaceful villages that define this region. Weng is a small but culturally significant district in Narathiwat, located near the Malay-Thailand border. It is known for its serene environment, traditional Malay-Thai communities, and breathtaking natural beauty. Unlike the busier areas of Narathiwat, Weng offers a quiet retreat, making it the perfect place for those who appreciate nature and authentic local experiences. This is my friend's house. It's quite big in front of the hospital wing, and I'm very happy to be here. At last, I'm here, and inshallah, one day I will bring my family to experience this great moment of a day trip to Narathiwat. ขอบคุณมากนะครับที่มาที่บ้านคอนคุณที่อำเภอเวงจังหวัดนราธิวาสขอบคุณมากนะครับ Okay. As my journey came to the end, I found myself back to the Sungai Golok border, reflecting on the experiences that I had throughout the day. Starting early in the morning, I had the chance to explore many fascinating places, immersing myself in the beauties of Narathiwat's landscape, culture, and traditions. Among the many memorable moments, the one that stood out the most was my conversation with the villagers at the beach. Engaging with the locals allowed me to understand their ways of life, traditions, and heartfelt stories, making my journey even more meaningful. The warmth and the hospitalities of the people in Narathiwat truly left a lasting impression on me. A heartfelt thank you to my younger brother, Rosti, for being my guide and taking me around this beautiful province. Without him, I wouldn't have discovered so many hidden gems and unique experiences that made this journey unforgettable. Narathiwat is indeed a place filled with history, culture, and natural beauty, and I hope to return again in the future for more adventures. ขอบคุณมากนะครับคุณพี่